Hello, Liz Peacock here from the Peacock Homestead. Welcome back. I just wanted to share with you how we do our granola and how I can my creamer. And you're not going to find this in the Blue Ball book, and it is a form of rebel canning, but I do it. I've been doing it for years, and it works pretty good for me. Enjoy. For this recipe, you're going to need olive oil. I use just regular olive oil. You're going to need old-fashioned oats. You're going to need some cinnamon or pumpkin pie spice or apple pie spice. And then you're going to use whole almonds or slivered almonds. And then your extras like raisins, chocolate chips if you like. But I like to buy the whole almonds. They're a little bit cheaper that way, and it has added salt that I really enjoy. And you're also going to need honey as well. And for the amounts, I use a cup and a half of olive oil to 2 pounds of old-fashioned oats. I use 2 tablespoons of cassia cinnamon, and then I also use a cup and a half of almonds chopped up. And then for honey, I get a 2 pound jug of it, and I use half the bottle, so I use about a pound of honey. And my husband really enjoys it, and I make it for him every week. And I hope this inspires you to make some homemade granola.